Arduinos come in many shapes and sizes. Electronics projects do too. When you're just getting started, you will probably stick with breadboards and jumper wires. This is the most flexible way to build a test circuit. Your debugging may include moving a jumper wire or changing software and reloading. Either way, making changes is part of the fun. But once you get the circuit and the software working, you may want to commit to a soldered breadboard that eliminates the wires, and along with them, the chance that one will fall out when the breadboard is moved. For that and many other applications, you'll want to have a good soldering iron. Better ones can cost over $50. The best ones include a temperature gauge that controls how hot the tip gets. We like lead-free rosin core solder. The solder consists of tin and copper alloys in the ratio of 60-40. You could also use lead instead of copper. The temperatures that solder irons reach won't vaporize the lead though, so it's not a health issue. The rosin core helps clean the joint and prevents metal oxidation. Together, those features create a stronger, longer-lasting mechanical and electrical bond. It also acts as a wetting agent, increasing the flow of solder and the efficiency of the soldering process. Solder wick is great to have when you mess up and need to remove solder or take a failed part out of a circuit. The copper fabric simply attracts wicks, the solder, away from the joint. You also can buy a solder sucker that literally sucks the melted solder away from a joint. Be careful about the solder splash when you pop the trigger.